Welcome to the introduction about average directional index. First, let me introduce to you the directional movement index or DMI. DMI is a momentum oscillator that was developed by J. Wells Wilder in 1978. This is to identify the overall direction of the market, whether it is trending or trading, moving sideways. DMI is a bounded oscillator that ranges from 0 to 100. It is also consisted of two distinct lines, the positive directional indicator and the negative directional indicator. The positive directional movement indicator, or positive DMI, measures how strongly the market is moving upwards. The negative directional movement indicator, or negative DMI, measures how strongly the prices are moving downwards. Wilder recommended to use the 14 period both for positive DMI and negative DMI. DMI is very useful, especially in trending markets, as it can generate strong buy and sell signals. When the positive DI crosses above the negative DI, it is a strong buy signal. When the positive DI crosses below the negative DI, it is a strong sell signal. Now, I will discuss the average directional index or ADX. ADX was developed by Wells Wilder Jr. in 1978. This is to measure the strength of the current trend. It is derived from two other indicators, the positive directional indicator and the negative directional indicator. The ADX is calculated by dividing the difference of positive DI and negative DI by the sum of positive DI and negative DI. The quotient is then multiplied by 100, where the product is smooth with an exponential moving average. ADX is one of the lagging indicators wherein a trend must establish first before the ADX will generate a signal. Similar to RSI, or Relative Strength Index, the ADX is a banded oscillator that fluctuates between 0 and 100. A reading below 20 denotes a weak trend, while a high reading above the 40 level indicates a strong trend. Meanwhile, it does not necessarily mean that a reading above 40 will generate a bull or bear signal, for it only measures how strong or weak the uptrend and downtrend are rather than its direction. I provided an example with an ADX plotted on the chart. Here, I've already shown on how strong and weak the trends are. A rise from below 20 to above 20 level denotes the trading range is ending and trending may be developing. A fall from above 40 to below 40 shows a potential change from trending to trading. For the conclusion, ADX measures only the strength of the trend and not the direction of the market. It determines changes in the market from trending to moving sideways or vice versa. It is highly recommended to use filters to avoid any whipsaws.